So, welcome to my channel. My name is Harry Tigans Argentina. My channel is Experience Africans. On this channel, I share the experience of Africans living home and abroad. And today I met a brother.
Yes.
What's your good name?
My name is Steven.
Steven.
Yes.
Wow. My pleasure meeting you. Where are you from?
I'm from Kenya. Nairobi to be precise.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for around 7 years now. It's going 8 years.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
And what triggered you to move here?
What triggered me to move here? I wanted to get a good life for myself and for my family. Just to have a good life. Just to earn good money. Okay. That's what made me come here.
Do you think there are no opportunities in Africa where we can get people who have to move for this?
There is a lot of opportunities in Africa. Okay. There is thousands, not even thousands, there's millions of opportunities in Africa.
Okay.
But we don't get that kind of chances.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why we come here. Yeah, that's why we come here. Yeah, to see if we can get that for ourselves.
So you mean there are more opportunities here?
Yeah, there is a lot of opportunities here. There is a way of life here that not like in my home country.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's why you're moving here.
Exactly.
So would you say you've been able to meet what you came for?
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
I have. I've had a very good time here. I have done so much back in my country.
Alright.
I have done so many projects in my country.
Okay.
And I could not do that in my country
Without traveling?
Without traveling.
Wow.
Yes.
So what would you say would make you go back home if you have the opportunity to go back home? What is that thing that will make you go back?
I would really love to go back home, bro.
Yeah.
Really. But the thing is, I would like to see a different kind of Africa.
Okay.
Okay? One thing I want to talk about today, I want to see like Africa without borders.
Exactly.
I want to see an Africa that I can go anywhere that I want.
Yeah.
I can come from Kenya. I can take my car.
Yeah.
And I can drive to
Another country.
without anybody stopping me.
Okay.
Because I am an African, and you are an African as well. Where you come from? You come from Nigeria, right?
Nigerian, yeah.
Yes. So I would like to take my car and I would drive all over Africa. I want to see Africa without borders.
So that's nice.
Yeah.
When we move out of our countries and we travel, most especially as Africans,
Yeah.
and we go outside, most times we prefer to mix up with people who are just from our country. We find it difficult to mix with other Africans who are also from Africa.
Yes.
What is your take on that?
My take on that is because when I was in school, what I was taught, they taught me about only my country.
Okay.
They did not teach me in my education system.
Yeah.
They did not teach me about Nigeria.
Okay.
They did not teach me about Gabon.
Yeah.
They did not teach me about Sierra Leone.
Okay.
They did not teach me about Uganda, which is my neighboring country. They did not teach me about South Africa, about Namibia, about... There's so many things that I don't know about my African continent, So that's why it makes me like... It's very hard for me to go outside my country and go to a place like Namibia or somewhere like Uganda or somewhere like... Exactly.
Okay.
So
are you going to say that our educational system is one of the reasons that we are actually in this condition?
Definitely. I want to talk about this, and I will look at the camera and say this directly.
Okay.
Our education system is not proper. We are supposed to be taught in our education system, in our what way, from the beginning, from where I grew up.
Okay.
They're supposed to teach me about what I can expect in different countries, in my country, in my continent,
Okay.
But it's surprising that I know a lot about the other continents,
Okay.
more than I know about my own continent.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how has that helped you with what you've learned about other continents than what you even know about your continent?
Bro, it has not helped me in any way.
Okay.
That's why I've told you from the word go that I want to see Africa on that borders.
All right.
We need to have an Africa that has no borders,
No limitations.
no limitations, no prejudice,
Yeah.
no tribalism.
Yeah.
I was having an argument just the other day with my fellow brothers.
Okay.
I was telling them, for me right now,
Yeah.
I'm not a young man.
Okay.
Okay, I have some ages. I have kids.
Yeah.
My kids are supposed to feel free, like they can go to any other country in Africa,
Yeah.
and they can get a wife.
Yeah.
They can get children. Africa is supposed to intermarry.
Which is one of the things that is really killing Africa.
Yes. Africa is supposed to go outside, and we have to intermarry. Like we have to go outside our boxes. So there is a box they put us in,
Yeah.
and I came to realize, like, my children are supposed to go outside. They're supposed to go. There's not supposed to be any borders in Africa.
Okay. Based on that, so when we are allowed to move across borders, we definitely will be having to get to understand the person from the next country, what they like, what they dislike.
Yeah.
And it will bring a bigger and better bond.
Exactly.
This question I'll be asking you is in relationship to the Western world always interfering in our laws, and
Yes.
how we live our life,
Yes.
how we create rules and regulations
Yes.
in our continent,
Yes.
what they deem to see as human rights and not human rights.
Yes.
What is your opinion about that?
One thing you're supposed to understand is, like, Africa was in slavery for 400 years.
Yeah.
That is something that really hurts me, because our brothers and sisters who are outside our continent,
Yeah.
they're not coming back. They're all coming back. They're looking for repatriation and everything from the United States, from France. This is evident everywhere. What they're doing is they're trying to kill our culture. And when I'm talking about my culture, I mean like we used to pray
Okay.
before the white people came to our country. We used to harvest. We used to, do all sort of things. Apart from the white people coming to our country, we used to have a life.
Yes.
Yeah? That's what I'm telling you. Africa before was all connected. But when the white people came, that's when they put the boundaries. Before, Africa was not like this. Africa used to be a big whole continent where I could go anywhere that I want. I could trade anything that I want. I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about my 4,000 people behind me.
Okay.
my ancestors, they used to go and they used to sell, they used to barter trade, you know. So I would really condemn what's happening right now. So for now, the funniest thing right now, I'm thinking about to go another country, but it's not Africa, where I can go and get opportunities. Because now corruption has become something, it's like an institution. Corruption has become something like it's a school, you know. It's like a system.
Yeah.
Like if you're not corrupt,
you're not educated.
Yes, if you're not corrupt, like in our countries, bro, I'm gonna tell you the truth. If you're not corrupt, they remove you from the system.
Okay.
They want,
corruption has eaten deep.
Yes.
We know where Africa is.
Yes.
For example, now, what is that one thing that can happen in Africa that will make you go back to Africa, to remain in Africa and grow your children?
I want to see someone like Gaddafi. I want to see a leader come out from Africa, someone that is gonna change. Not only in my country, but the whole of Africa. Okay. That's what's gonna make me go back to Africa, because I want to see someone who will stand up like Gaddafi, like Haile Selassie. Okay. You know, people who want the best for their people. And the moment they stand up, we will know.
All right.
Yeah.
I think those are the questions I have for you.
Yes.
Initially, you prompted for this interview, so
yes.
You actually had some things you wanted to ask me.
Yeah, I wanted to ask. I asked you about this.
Okay. That's the ban.
Yeah.
Why are we at the ban?
Yeah,
this is for Kenya, yes. And this is for Tanzania.
Yeah, because the moment I see someone wearing this, yes. I always know they're my country people. And I talk to him in language, right?
Yeah.
So this has become like the whole of Kenya.
Okay.
We always wear this
wristband.
The whole of Kenya.
Yeah.
I don't have mine.
Yeah.
But I have a reason why I'm not wearing mine.
Okay.
You told me that this one, because some people in African countries, we don't have people who are used doing this beads. Yeah.
For some African countries, it's kind of strange.
Yes, it's strange.
For my country, it's not like we don't have it, but I've not noticed too much of the small beads. We have the big ones. The big ones, the ones that the Igbos, the Ijaws,
yes.
But the smaller ones, not too common.
Yes.
But we still wear beads.
But
national flags, like
yes.
Most times, yeah.
But you know, this is what Africa is all about.
Yes.
We have so many traditions.
Exactly.
We have so many cultures.
Yes.
We have so much culture inside Africa.
Okay.
You know, if we come and we intermarry and we integrate, you know, we're gonna have a lot of things that we can do together.
Okay.
The thing about this one is very important.
Okay.
For me, if yes, this is our identity in Kenya.
Yeah.
So if I see you wearing this, I know you're a Kenyan.
Okay.
Or you have an interaction with a Kenyan.
Exactly.
Okay. So this is the kind of things I'm telling you. Just imagine you from Nigeria. You have a culture in your food.
Exactly.
Yeah? We have culture in what we make as part of our food.
Exactly.
You know? Sudan, they have their own culture of making food. They have, you go to Ethiopia, we have different kinds of foods. You know, this is the kind of things we're supposed to bring together to make Africa, you know? And it's gonna be a very, very beautiful culture.
Wow. That's nice.
And just imagine, you can go from Kenya, you can go marry in South Africa.
Exactly.
You can go, I come from maybe Nigeria, I can go and marry in Ethiopia.
Okay.
Like, Africa without borders is what, for me, in my heart, I'm wishing for.
All right. Thank you very much for this. And your last word before I round up.
Yeah. We as Africans, we have been despised, we have been used, we have been taken advantage of. Our brothers are dying outside our continent. Not even Africans. They are black Americans, they are black Filipinos, they are black whatever, you know. Africa is all over the world. You know? People don't take this kind of skin. They always take advantage of us. We are the hard workers. We are the most passionate people. We are the best athletes in the world. We are everything you can look for that is beautiful and is passionate. Let's not forget where we come from. Our continent is very beautiful. Our continent is very beautiful. So, what I can say to the people right now, to your channel, to me, yeah, to everybody who's gonna watch this maybe, I don't know, 10, 50 years from now, yeah, don't forget where you come from. Africa is the best place you can be. Africa is the most beautiful place you can be. The weather is magnificent. The people are very good. The smiles. Don't forget about the culture. Don't forget where you come from.
All right. Thank you very much. Right. Yes, if you've watched this video, you heard from him. Africa is a very great place, and you can also make it better. Contribute your quota, encourage people to actually embrace each other, encourage the idea of Africa without borders, and I'm sure that very soon we'll get to where we're going. Thank you for watching this episode. Till I see you on the next one, it's goodbye.
Don't forget, Africa without borders.